Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use liquid oxygen. Liquid oxygen, or LOX, is a cryogenic fluid, meaning it's extremely cold, boiling at -297 degrees Fahrenheit. It's also a potent oxidizer, which means it can make ordinary materials highly flammable. Understanding these fundamental properties is crucial for any safe interaction with this powerful substance. We'll cover its nature and why careful handling is paramount. Safety is paramount when working with liquid oxygen. Always wear specialized personal protective equipment like cryogenic gloves and full face shields to prevent severe frostbite. Proper ventilation is critical to avoid oxygen-rich atmospheres, which can turn non-flammable materials combustible. Remember, even a small spark can become a dangerous fire in an oxygen-enriched environment. Prioritizing these measures protects everyone involved. Storing and handling liquid oxygen requires specialized equipment and strict protocols. Always use vacuum-insulated cryogenic containers designed specifically for LOX to maintain its extremely low temperature and prevent rapid vaporization. When transporting, ensure containers are upright and securely fastened to avoid any spills or damage. Crucially, never let liquid oxygen touch organic materials or hydrocarbons, as this can cause explosive reactions. Liquid oxygen has diverse and critical applications, from industrial processes like steel production and chemical manufacturing to essential medical uses, providing respiratory support. Always adhere to established safety protocols and receive proper training before handling. Remember, vigilance and respect for its properties are key to safe operation. For more deals and to grab a Little Tree's Black Ice Air Freshener, check the link in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.